Connections of Team and Tier, and this is my room reveal. So yeah, I'm having my match figure in progress right now. So yeah, those are all my supplies. Post-it notes from Brawl for the Million. Up here, we have some of my figures. Sherbet. One that's kind of weird. And Ball. This is my desktop. Got a belt. Soccer ball squishy. I have a bunch of Palmer Clay stuff. My homemade Windows XP computer that I used in Brawl for the Million Episode 4. Some of my thread. Yeah, this is my closet. I fixed some stuff here. These are some stuff that I might be using. Those are my old figurines. My phone collection. We have cell phones and smartphones. And we have my Corey Carson collection. The Object Land. A paper airplane. Number blocks. Sorry if you can't see the rest because of that box of objects. And over here we have Tayo toys. Tayo Play and Mini Car. Inanimate Insanity figures. Squirrels. And over here, my pet stuff, Mizu pet stuff. Some more stuff. And this is my box of paper cutouts. Up here we have a bunch of stuff, some foldies, pizza cutter, Brawl for the Million, and object down for object trouble. Do I really need that? Because I need a new pizza cutter. This is a bag of some stuff that I'm gonna use for Object Show All Stars. Next we have a coin doing in here. Some stuff. BFDI plush accessories. And Flowers non-slip shoes are the only ones in the moment. We have a bunch of foldies. We have Squeaky Minis. Reggie is gone now. Next we have my Soybots figures. I forgot their names and I keep on getting them mixed up. Next up we have one of my boxes of plushies. Inside here we have Palmer Clay BFDI figures, current ones, and my Sammy Clark styled BFDI plush. Sorry if there's a few of them. Next, we have my BFDI plush. BFDI plush coming back sometime in April or May. And yeah, I have more than my Sammy Clark style ones. And over here, we have Elmo plushie, Alphabet Band plushie. If you don't know where he is, then the link to his channel is in the description. We have some other plushies. You want to hear a song from this toy?
Someone needs our help. It's time to go. Hello.
Next we have some Rasputin stuff. Next we have an annoying wallet. Yes. And a koala plush toy. Sorry about that. That was just my mouth. Next we have a world cushion. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have this clock over here and this easy button.
That was easy.
And a bell. And we have some beak and a tissue box. And up here we have some more plushies. A plushie about a moose and a flippable octopus, which I might be using in one of those episodes of BFDI plush. Next we have official Firey. Well, and now I realize that my Firey plushie was the homemade plushie. Anyway, this is Firey. I'm still keeping my, don't worry about it, I'm still keeping my old Firey plushie. Next, a bunny plush and another flippable octopus. A bunch of stuff is in my room. Oh. So yeah, this is my bookshelf. And it's filled with Elephant and Piggy, some sort of non-fiction books, fiction books, biographies, sorry about that. A homemade book that I made years ago. Fiction books and my collection of hats. And inside these cabinets, other stuff. Next, we have ABC stuff like Hey, remember these toys that I used for my Chicka Chicka Boom Boom wraps? Look at these. And last but not least, we have alphabet magnets and some pianos and closets. Then I can't show you them because of copyright. So yeah, thanks for watching. Also, this is my backpack. Also, I have stories of the Bible here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget that board. It wasn't over yet. And this.